African swine fever infecting pigs have also been reported in Imphal East District, with the first case reported from Kangu Jingjing area under Lamlai police stations on October 16. Joint Director Veterinary and Animal Husbandry in Imphal East, Dr. Arun Kumar, has expressed that with the confirmations of the outbreak of African swine fever in Imphal East District, Additional Deputy Commissioner Imphal East, Samin Ahmad Saha, had issued necessary orders declaring epicenter, control area, surveillance area and infected zone as per provisions provided, and added that the currently necessary precautionary measures have been taken up by District Administration Imphal East and Veterinary Department. According to the order issued by ADC Imphal East, pig farm of Laishram Nandalal of Kangu Jingjing is declared as the epicenter. Pigs within the radius of 1 km from the farm of Laishram Nandalan have been killed, and area within 10 km radius from the farm of Laishram Nandalan is declared as surveillance zone. Dr. Arun Kumar further expressed that suspected samples from the infected pigs have been collected and have been sent for medical analysis of Northeast Regional Disease Diagnostic Laboratory NERDDL Guwahati. He further stressed that currently there is no medicine available for treatment of African swine fever. However, vaccine for classical swine fever is available, and thus caution all pig farmers follow the guidelines as laid down by Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department, Government of Manipur.
African swine fever thoping da handaki oina Imphal West da hana thoe Imphal West ki thopasi akhoi Central National University gi moi pigri farm da thopani adu masi thopasi makhoi gi thopasi hek koi simultaneously akhoi gi director ta akhoi sub director na keno tawraga akhoi gi emergency meeting ama African swine fever gi matang da tawsi haibi matu lai koi director ta meeting si koi district ki lai joint director sing aduga mari le bo officer sing roi yauraga koi pathoki aduga patho matung da ngasai gi director na khudak tu da dum le sumai tawdana sugumba ma Imphal West ta thobani da koi any district ta thola ka targadi khudak ta masi ki keno tawna ba haidana koi ki rapid response team haibetare adumai tawga infected zone gi semo jadagi surveillance zone gi adi free zone gi adumai tawga na koi lai ba main power officer sing di matuna na koi district na koi khada le district gi officer sing staff sing roi na keno tawraga adu semo haidana koi same aduna Imphal East ki su ekoi Imphal East ki the same is infected zone kaniguma thola gadi haidana ekoi na matamdu da ekoi gi housing asai aina so hyper panjagi ba kamba sinji da thokling gi mangoi na ekoi na same mani na infected zone da timani ba seme adagi surveillance zone da timani ma aduga free zone sina sai surveillance zone masai gi 10 km gi wam sina free zone haibata re patudana leina leite na min tawraga adumai tawraga koi tim manga semjabani